Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Rieyue LED light bulb is probably one of the most versatile and energy-efficient lighting solutions available on the market today, offering a brilliant combination of modern technology and practical application for any home or office space. This bulb is designed to provide superior illumination while significantly reducing your electricity consumption, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for all your lighting needs. Whether you're looking to brighten up a living room, enhance productivity in a workspace, or create a cozy ambience, the Rieyue LED light bulb promises consistent performance and long-lasting durability. Number 5. Sylvania ECO LED A19 Light Bulb. Introducing the Sylvania ECO LED A19. It's the perfect energy-efficient replacement for your standard 60-watt incandescent lamps. Enjoy a bright, daylight output of 750 lumens while using only 9 watts. Tired of constantly changing light bulbs? These bulbs offer an incredible lifespan of up to 7,700 hours, lasting you up to 7 years. Save time and hassle with their long-lasting performance. Make a smart choice for your wallet and the environment. These LED bulbs require significantly less energy, potentially saving you up to $1.08 per year on your energy bill. It's an easy way to save money. Beyond everyday use, these bulbs are ideal for creating ambience. Perfect for decorative and accent lighting in both homes and businesses, they enhance any space with their clear, vibrant light. Experience the Sylvania difference. These bulbs are backed by our standard Sylvania warranty, ensuring you receive a quality product you can rely on. What we like. If you're looking for a cost-effective and reliable lighting solution for general use, this is a great choice. It offers significant energy savings and a long lifespan, meaning fewer replacements and lower electricity bills. Consider this if you need to outfit a large space or want a dependable bulb for everyday illumination. What people say. The light is very bright and illuminates the entire room. The bulb has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any fixture. It's energy efficient, which helps save on electricity bills. Number 4. Linkind A19 Dimmable LED Light Bulbs. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with these bulbs. They provide a cozy, yellowish light, perfect for relaxing evenings at home. Installation is simple with the standard E26 base. Save on your energy bills with these efficient bulbs. They use only 9 W of power while providing the same brightness as a 60 W incandescent bulb. Enjoy significant energy savings and a long-lasting light source. Control the ambience of your room with smooth dimming capabilities. Adjust the brightness to your preference without any distracting buzzing or flickering. They are compatible with most LED dimmers for a seamless experience. These bulbs are perfect for a wide range of indoor lighting needs. Use them in your bedroom, living room, or office to create a comfortable and relaxing environment. They are suitable for various home and commercial spaces. Rest assured with bulbs that are built to last and certified for quality. They contain no mercury and are designed for safe and reliable use. Enjoy peace of mind with these dependable lighting solutions. Understand color temperature to select the right light for your space. Lower Kelvin values offer a warmer, yellower light, while higher values provide a cooler, bluer tone. Choose the hue that best suits your needs. What we like. For creating a cozy and relaxing ambience, this option is ideal. Its warm, dimmable light is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices where you want to set a comfortable mood. If you enjoy adjustable lighting and a soft glow, this bulb will enhance your living space. What people say. The light is bright and has a nice color. Easy to install and works perfectly. Good value for the money. Number 3. Ledvance Sylvania Truwave Natural Series A19 Bulb. Transform your home into a haven of comfort with lighting designed to reduce eye strain. Experience a noticeable difference in your living space. Our innovative technology mimics the sun's natural light to create a nurturing environment. Enjoy light that feels as good as it looks. Better light can lead to better sleep. By minimizing disruptive blue light, it helps support your natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to unwind. Embrace the benefits of natural sunlight throughout your day and night. This light helps you live better by supporting your body's natural rhythms. Enjoy a more soothing visual experience, especially when reading. See true, vivid colors and skin tones like never before. This bulb provides 800 lumens of brightness with only an 8W energy consumption. It's an efficient choice for a well-lit home. What we like. If you're concerned about eye strain and sleep quality, this bulb is designed for you. Its Truwave technology mimics natural sunlight, reducing blue light exposure to promote better sleep and more comfortable viewing. Choose this if you want a healthier, more natural light experience, especially in areas where you relax or read. What people say. The light is bright and has a good color rendering. Easy to install and fit standard fixtures. Long-lasting and energy efficient. Number 2. SUNSGNE G40 LED Replacement Bulbs. Introducing the SUNSGNE G40 LED Replacement Bulbs, a pack of 25 warm white glow bulbs designed to bring a cozy ambience to your outdoor spaces. Each bulb uses only 0.6 watts, offering the same warm glow as traditional 5-watt incandescent bulbs. Made from shatterproof plastic, they are built to last. These G40 bulbs feature an E12 candelabra base, ensuring compatibility with most G40 string light fixtures. They are UL certified for safe use both indoors and outdoors. Easily install these bulbs to create a beautiful vintage atmosphere for weddings, parties, or everyday enjoyment. They provide a warm white light, perfect for any occasion. Transform your patio, backyard, garden, or even commercial spaces with these versatile and long-lasting LED bulbs. Enjoy a warm, inviting glow wherever you place them. These dimmable bulbs solve the common issues of fragility, short lifespan, and overheating found in traditional bulbs. They are the perfect, reliable alternative. What we like. This is the perfect choice for decorative outdoor lighting. Its G40 globe shape and shatterproof design make it ideal for string lights on patios, backyards, or for events. If you want to add a warm, vintage touch to your outdoor spaces while having a durable and safe bulb, this is what you need. What people say. The light is very bright and the color is very nice. It is very easy to install and use. Number 1. 2-pack LED Garage Light Bulb. Introducing our super bright, deformable LED bulbs. They provide 360-degree light coverage, ensuring no corner is left in the dark. Experience exceptional illumination with 150W, equivalent brightness from just 35W. These bulbs offer superior daylight output, replacing your old incandescent and halogen lamps. Make the switch to energy efficiency. These bulbs can help you save up to 85% on your energy costs, making them an economical choice. Installation is a breeze with the standard E26 base. They are perfect for replacing your existing lamps in garages, basements, and workshops. These bulbs are ideal for a wide range of applications. Use them in garages, workshops, closets, porches, and many other indoor spaces for optimal lighting. What we like. For areas requiring intense, widespread illumination, this bulb is a game changer. Its unique deformable design ensures 360-degree light coverage, making it perfect for garages, workshops, or basements. If you need to brighten up a large, functional space and want a powerful, energy-saving solution, this is your best bet. What people say. The light is bright and the color is good. It is easy to install and works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.